Go to grandcanvas.com. Select the wall covering you like. Input your wall's height and width, and place your order. Get the tools you need and start preparing the wall. Mix the included paste with water. Mix 1 pack of paste with 1.7 liters of clean water. Stir and leave for 10 minutes, then stir again. Ready! Prime the wall first. Use the paste to replace the primer, applying it generously. Use the paintbrush for corners. Unfold the wall covering. Inflate the tube until it begins to feel tight to the touch. Do not overinflate the tube. Mount the tube vertically starting from the left, with the valve at the bottom. Unroll by steps of 50 to 80 centimeters, gently and evenly pressing it to the wall. Smooth well, starting from the middle towards the edge. Unroll another meter and repeat. Cut off any excess. Enjoy! Welcome to the world of easy, innovative, and smart home decor. grandcanvas.com